robots are starting to show up all over the place, especially in the supply chain. So a few years ago, Amazon bought a company called Kiva Systems that have these fancy orange robots that can do all the picking in a warehouse facility. So you get an order, you send it to the robot, it uses a laser-guided navigation system to navigate through a distribution center. It'll come back in 5 minutes with the assortment of items that you need to pack and put in a box. Now, you still need a human being, unfortunately, to put the tape on the box and put the styrofoam, put stuff in there. Probably won't be for long. But these can get a 3x productivity in warehouse operations by deploying these robots. There's also robots that travel through hospitals. There's one called Tug. You can carry up to 1,000 pounds. So instead of your hospital staff having to carry medications up to patients or having to go and collect cafeteria trays for food service to get them back down to the basement to get washed again, you can have the robots do that. Here's one called Baxter that's actually being used in Fort Worth, Texas today to process returns of cell phones and electronics that are under warranty that need to be repaired. Baxter will take the things out of the box, identify them, put them on the appropriate conveyor belt or appropriate bin to be repaired. Frito-Lay has been experimenting with a company called Industrial Perception. They have robots that will pack the trucks automatically without people and do it a lot more efficiently than a human could do. So Amazon owns Kiva, but who do you think owns this Industrial Perception company? Google. Google's actually bought 8 robotics companies very quietly in the past 12 months. And they do everything from helping the supply chain and distribution centers to doing things like film the movie Gravity to achieve the weightlessness effect that you saw with George Clooney and Sandra Bullock in there. And Larry Page, who's the CEO of Google, refers to these things as moonshots. You know, crazy ideas that they're spending billions in research and development dollars on, the technologies they think will change the world. Robotics is one. The glass goggles with the augmented reality is another. Self-driving cars, which you've been hearing about in the news, are a third one. So lots of interesting things going on.